Mr. Michael Lobo has come from the ranks. So he is a thoroughbred Goenka. He has the good of Goa and Goans in mind. Besides that, he is a very close and dear friend of Don Bosco's and has helped all our Don Bosco institutions in many, many ways which you will not even imagine. So we are extremely grateful to Sir for having taken the time out and come to inaugurate this pop-up sale. Sir was also the guest of honor at our Jubilee cultural program, but due to his sudden ill health, he could not make it. We are very grateful to you, sir, for all that you have been doing for us. We know you are going to help us even in the future. We know you are going to give us some computers for our computer lab. I know that is already there. These are not secrets. And we would like to say that we, Don Boscos, will always be with you. And we will pray to God that Don Bosco sends all blessings and graces upon you today and always, so that you have a bright political career on the Goan firmament.
25 years of this institution, and this sale which is taking place today, organized by Don Bosco, a platform for the youth and also for Goans. Whoever is a good artist, whoever stitches good clothes or any other item, can see plants over here, specially potted, some items made in Goa. Present for this occasion, Father Savio, the principal of this, the biggest institution in Panaji, and all the teachers and all you students and well-wishers. I'm very happy to be here, to be part of this great initiative by Don Bosco, a platform for our youth, and all the, especially who want to stand on their own feet. Our entrepreneurs, Goan entrepreneurs, a good platform which is given by this institution. They can bring their items here, which are made in their house, and sell. I think these unique concepts are very much required, not only here in Panaji, but other places also like Margaon, Kalangut, Mapsa, and other places, so that our youth and our elders, whoever makes their own products in their house, they can get a good platform to sell it. And we have to encourage our Goans to do something on their own, because so many students are over here, they will pass out, but they don't know whether they will, some of them will look out for government jobs, but I don't think so, that everybody can get a government job. I think the whole students who pass out over here in this institute, hardly 1% may get government jobs. So we have to think out of the box, we have to think that we will do something on our own, something, stand on your own feet, be an entrepreneur, be a businessman like how I am over here in front of you. And I think we can take challenges, we have to take challenges for this. We have to take risks also. Without risk, you cannot get what you are aiming for. The future belongs to those who believe in their dreams, and I want to tell all the students who are here, you dream big, and if you dream big, you got to work hard to achieve those dreams. And definitely all your dreams, whatever is there in your mind, will come true. We are there to support you, to take the step, one step forward towards your dream. We are there to support you for that. I wish all the students who are over here all the best, and all the self-made businessmen who are over here. entrepreneur. All the best to sell your products. And I wish that many more sales like this picks up in Goa, not only in Panjim but other places, so that you can showcase your things, whatever you make, and sell them on the right platform.